Lamsoko my contest pre YouTube channel dini TPSC kaisa job notification khorma sung nailai abo hongke general duty medical officer grade 4 group A gazetted under Health and Family Welfare Department Government of Tripura pay scale rejak tongoro level 14 vacancy tongo all permanent abongke ojaga rejak tongo total vacancy post tongo total post tongo jago 224 including 9 post tongnai ojaga PWD ebake person with disabilities bongni bagai tongnai 9 post gajaga category wise rejak tong khagjak UR SC ST rejak tongo ke UR rong bagai tongo singoro nuka total aro post tongo UR rong bagai unreserved category rong bagai 116 tai ojaga 39 post tongo women buri rong bagai tai 2 post tongo ex serviceman rong bagai SC rong bagai hingkangke total 38 ta tongo berang bagai ojaga including tongo 13 post tongo berang bagai tongo ojaga 13 ta post tai ekta post tongo ex serviceman rong bagai S rong bagai hingke ojaga total 17 ta post tongo and berang bagai tongo 23 post berang bagai women rong bagai tai ojaga ekta post tongnai ex serviceman rong ni bagai ke bini qualification tongnai educational qualification ke norok check khaina di jara medical line porjak bongni bagai no o job hingke bongthani o jaga mention khaijak tongo tamtama bongni qualification tong nangnai rejak tongo jaga pula to medical line porjak bini license rok tong nangnai tai permanent registration certificate of hairok any state ni council ni medical certificate registration tong nangnai permanent age limit tongo up to 40 years 90/10/2024 upper age limit tongo jaga STAC tongnai tai PH candidate tongnai borni bagai ingkengke 5 year realization mannai borok 5 year jorote apply khlaimano permanent residence certificate Tripura certificate on nangnai PRTC kri hingangke ojobe apply khlaimaya select process tongnai jaga exam ngai 85 mark ni MCQ ungnai 15 mark ni viva interview ungnai number of vacancies ekta post ni bagai 5 jon khaye candidate ringjangnai personality test category wise ekta post ni bagai 5 ta khlaiye ba 5 jon khlaiye candidate ringjangnai 2 ta post ni hingangka 8 jon khaye tai 3 and above tongna hingke 3 times the number of the vacancies abahike ringjaknai details kam ka saimana bagai noro PDF download khainai di nonor description re rana tai link bo re rana noro short ajaga thangai click khai noro download khainai banu online application starting na abo hongke 10 September 2024 nismi 19 October 2024 5:30 PM jora apply khlaimano boro apply khlaina hingke norok ojaga visit khaidi TPSC online.in bakata kaisa tongo tpsc.tripura.gov.in ojaga norok thangai online norok khlaimano gowa no objection certificate kaisa mention khaijak tongo bo hingke jara candidate job apply khainai rok jokhon final merit list kogo borok apro no objection certificate borok mention show khain nangnai borok kono jaga jodi tomungno job rok eba khlai tongkhangke borok abo no objection certificate borok show khain nangnai fee tongnai online form fill up khaina bagai 400 general candidate amorongke 350 1300 taka hangke abongke ST SC BPL card holder physical handicap candidate rong bagai 350 nangnai exam rok runa thangpuro phone rok electric gadgets abahai rok kwbangma mention khaijak tongo amorok tulang manglak personal interview rogok amorok tulang manglak mention khaijak tongo description link rojak tongo oro aro thangoi pdf download khai naidi tai nongni syllabus rok ajaga mention khaijak tongo tola score khainai ke norok nogana tai ani youtube channel ke subscribe khai kongka subscribe khaina di tai bell icon sina tapok de kada kada video upload khaipiro notification thangsongai na bagoi.